It will be interesting to see how the no-mindedness view of the religious experience in the Prajnaparamita turns into the mind-only theory, so-called, of the Lankavatara. Both start from the untenability or unknowability of ultimate reality, which is beyond the dualism of being and non-being, of birth and death. And while one ends in a form of negativism, the other comes to an affirmation, saying that there is nothing but mind, that the mind alone is the last word one can say about the world. At the bottom of these two propositions, however, there is but one experience, for both aim at the realization of one and the same fundamental truth. As we have already treated the Lankavatara view of Siddhamantra, let us proceed to see what the sutra has to say about what may be termed the no-birth view of existence. This will clear up not only the position of the Prajnaparamita, but also of the general Mahayana attitude toward the problems of ontology. While in the Prajnaparamita we are impressed with the idea of emptiness or sunyata, the Lankavatara does not make so frequent references to it. True, there are statements concerning existence beyond being like Maya, with no reality or substance, but one can trace in the latter sutra a more manifest form to bring out the self-realization which will reveal to us a realm of no birth and death, or rather, according to the sutra, of no birth. Quote, when there is no actual perception of the truth, no actual seeing of the origin of things, all these philosophical views end in nihilism. All these views include such notions as continuity, birth, work, destruction, existence, nirvana, path, fruit of action, truth, etc. This being the case, we must be always in touch with the Buddhist experience itself when what seems to be a philosophical theory, such as the no-birth view of existence, is being discussed. What is meant by no birth? It is one of the most fundamental ideas of Mahayana Buddhism and is closely associated and almost interchangeable with such terms as emptiness or sunyata, no self-substance or astvabha, non-duality or advaita, ultimate limit or bhutakoti, nirvana, no form, no yearning, etc. In the Lankavatara, it is frequently mentioned together with the first three of these terms. Because of emptiness, there is no birth. As there is no birth, there is no world of particulars in which the notion of self-substance obtains, and also that of duality or opposition or pairs of opposites. And when this is realized, one has what is technically known as compliance with reality not born, or anutpatika dharma kshanti.